Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you some new products from Madam Glam. These are their chrome gel paints. So as the day this video is going up, these did release yesterday, Monday the 14th, but I did get them in. I wanted to get some swatches and a design for you guys. So we have 3 new gel paints. They are all in a chrome, brand new chrome formula. We have rose chrome, gold chrome, and vintage chrome, which is like a silver. So I did go ahead and open these up. That's what they look like opened fresh up. I do want to give them a stir. So they definitely need a good stir. You can see how that color popped out. They do settle with the pigments. This is that rose gold, which is like a true rose gold. It's not like the super pinky kind. And I'll go ahead and stir the silver as well, the vintage. It is more of like a vintage silver, like it's not like a true silver. Almost not quite like a tarnished silver. But here are the 3 all mixed up. Let's go ahead and do some swatches for him. So we'll go ahead and start with the rose gold. So here's what the rose gold looks like. And keep in mind, these are the gel paint formulas, so they are super concentrated. So that was just a little dip, gave it a full coat. Next is the gold. Here's what the gold looks like, and vintage. And here's what vintage looks like. Again, not like a bright silver, it's more of a darker, worn in type of a silver. Okay, so here's what the 3 look like swatched and top coated. Now, since these are the gel paint formula, they are a tack-free finish, so you don't need a top coat, but I am just putting one on just to help preserve them. I do want to note this formula does kind of separate a little bit. You can see a little bit on each of them. Now, I had some really bad separation on these swatches. I did not put a base coat down, which I normally don't for my swatching. But you can see that these just really separated away from the swatch stick. So these ones I went down and I put a base coat first. So just so you guys know, in case you're swatching these at home yourself, you are going to want to put a base coat down for these. And then I did just want to compare the chrome to the gold and silver gel paints that we have in the main collection. So you can see how these are actual chromes versus these ones are almost like a glitter or a leaf gel type of a finish. So these are super fun. I was so excited when Madam Glam sent me these. They are so gorgeous. I love how they added a rose gold in the mix as well. And it's not too pink. It is that like perfect rose gold. I do want to do a tutorial for you guys. I have some swatches right here. I have them prepped. My base coat here is Pivot, my favorite nude background. But let me get into this little design. So here are the little designs I came up with. Just a French tip with some different designs in the chrome. There are tons of ways you can use these in art, any kind. Use them as little accents. You can draw with them. They are really pretty. Now, when you do them, like a coat of them, I didn't have any issues on all of the like drawing I did, but it did separate a little bit when you're doing like that full coat. It doesn't quite like that, I've noticed. Not as bad as when I did it on the swatch sticks the first time, but all of the art did just fine. These are so pretty. So I love these. I am so excited that Madam Glam sent them over to me. I highly recommend them, but let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on the chrome gel paints, and let me know if you're picking them up. If you are, as always, I do have a discount code of Madam Glam. It'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Thank you again for Madam Glam to send me over these new goodies. I'm so excited about these ones. This has been my favorite launch that they've done in a few months. Like, I am very excited for these ones. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorial videos and the swatching videos. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.